guess what? 2 holes in the butt. All right, so I went and got some light, you know what I'm saying? Make it a little brighter for you guys. So, got Joico. It's a semi-permanent hot pink color. Then I also got a blue color, but I'm not gonna retouch my blue, I don't think, because I don't care about it. Nope. Yeah, it's going down. So we're just gonna paint. We're gonna paint. We're just gonna paint. We're gonna paint our hair pink. You know what? I'm probably finna pull out my fingers and do it with my hands, cause this finna be all day. Okay. And then you just kind of make sure it's worked in the hair. Ah, very good. Now, next. Oh, mama, I'm pink. Pink. Damn, my hair pink. See, listen. Darker colors make your locks look healthier. I can't really tell you why that is, but Hey, Mom. Okay. Alright, so I colored my hair, made it all this color right here. Ooh, so nice, so nice. I think when you make your hair darker, it just ends up looking healthier. But I'm gonna give it a nice, quick little trim. So I'm gonna split it down the middle, sort of. And then I'm gonna get up, don't worry, wearing clothes. And I'm gonna get up and then I'm just gonna cut it. Okay. I'm gonna cut it straight across. Some of these ends are so raggedy. Like, oh my God. I'm just gonna cut the very long pieces like this right here. That's too long. Oops. That's actually not a bad lock. Anyway, I'm gonna cut that. Cut this right here. I'm gonna cut this one right here. Okay, that looks better already. Same thing for over here. These two right here. Okay. Bam, that looks great. Yeah, I don't want to be cutting all of those like that. So now the other part of the trim is going to go like this. So basically I'm like, so this is the top part of my head, it's the flat part. I'm going right in the middle of the flat part, taking all those hairs in the front. Okay, now we're gonna go from my eyebrow arch up, bloop, throw that back there, other eyebrow arch. Okay, perfect. Now I'm just gonna put all this together like this, and then I'm gonna just cut that part off. Bloop, bloop, like that. Bam. That's it. Now, all right, I ain't even gonna miss that. You know what I'm saying? That just needed to look a little better than it was looking. Don't they look better? Oh, that looks a lot better. And then some of these, the ends just kind of open. Cut that. Yeah, that looks good. Sorry my boobs are so long, honey. They're just natural. Sorry.